To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Kom Shibanta ban Rakhi Yak World Hearing Day Arajar Arfwe. Kabla Rakhi Hashitlup Kupertai, Ka Woodland Hospital Harankat Kajingis Nok Tilang, but Ka AJYNISHD. Menda kasi la pelong ya kajing Rakhi yakani kasngi. Hapo Woodland ENT Clinic and Speech and Hearing Center. But Haganika program la yo ban sumar a like wingot ki pudlet penyai kali jong pasor selong hakaba ki doktor ki pensngau baganika jing sumari ki pudlet penyai kali ka long bagini ki pudlet ki long ki bla shakta bha hakaba dei bagajing sawa na ki kali ki bayat bayang ha ki surok ba Haganika si la yo ya jing kren priang sobha na u babat I kharchiang ubade u marketing officer ko Woodland Hospital. But ya kajing batay halogani kasngi Rakhi ya World Hearing Day la yo na I Dr. Hanifa Akhtar kabadeg ENT consultant jong ka Woodland ENT Clinic Speech and Hearing Center. Baru la yo ya kajing penchay halor ka AIDP scheme kabla wanda da ka sarkar kami na I Dr. Wan Simply Morwain ibadai I audiologist but speech pathologist. Haganisngi Woodland Hospital kalayo pakan ay subha sa iway ni kilong kami daki hearing aids hagaba ini ilong kami day baju don kajing duna hagaliang kajing yosngo borong arliang kiskor bat kabakam syakta kani kiskor kadiang ini ilong kami latip ketengkom ikong Rebecca Morwain pelan rupsan snem karta ibasong basa ham molai umsing Habai kren ben ini ilong kami ilai tu bakalat ka wan ha I lingba ka jing pelong ka snong molai pelun ya ka wei ka health camp ka dei lingba ka ni la syamba idon ka jing stom lingba ka jing sumar jong doktor ilai tu ba ka ni ka jing sha sumar ka jong I kala wan ra ya ka jing kemen hadin ba ilayo ya ka jing as ngo ba da ka wei ka kor yo ngo ne hearing aids ka bala ban penyo ngo biang ya I sasisia.
Today we are observing the World Hearing Day. And this is by World Health Organization, and it is celebrated as per WHO. It is celebrated every year on 3rd of March. This year and every year the WHO it decides a theme. So this year the theme is, as you can see, the hearing care for all. So the aim is to screen, rehabilitate and communicate. So these are the three themes, and which the main aim of this theme is to raise awareness among the people how to prevent hearing loss, and second thing is to let them know about, to give them the importance to promote the care of the ear and the hearing. Okay, so as you can see here, this logo is of the WHO, World Health Organization, for the World Hearing Day 2021. Every year the theme is different. So as you can see here, the hearing care for all means the hearing is related to speech, and it is important for people of all ages across the globe. So as a part of observing this day, we have done activities like, as you can see here, to create the awareness, we made these pamphlets. So in the pamphlets, these were distributed to the common people who are attending the hospital and our clinic for the period of last 7 days. So what we are going to do by doing this is so that they're aware, like what is a hearing loss, what is the common causes of hearing loss, how the hearing loss will have, they will know in a child, what are the symptoms in an adult and how to prevent. And second thing is, through these pamphlets we also want to share on this World Hearing Day, like we want to share with all the people of Meghalaya and with you all that our hospital is empaneled for the free cochlear implant surgery under the EDIP scheme.
This EDIP scheme is provided by the Government of India under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay, the main motive of this scheme is to provide assistance to disabled persons for purchase of aids and appliances. Okay, as our hospital is empaneled for cochlear implant, those children having hearing loss can undergo cochlear implant under this scheme. Okay, this scheme covers the cost of the cochlear implant, which generally costs 67 lakhs per implant. Okay, second, it will cover the surgery cost and the traveling cost, that is 200 per visit for 1 year. But there are criteria that needs to be fulfilled. First, the child having hearing loss should have a mild, should have a severe to profound degree hearing loss in both ears. They should have a disability certificate. They should be an Indian citizen.
And
Their parents,
income.
yes, their parents' monthly income should be less than 20,000 per 20,000. And there are two categories. Okay, first, those children having hearing loss since birth. The age criteria for them is up to 5 years of age, and for those who acquired hearing loss, okay, after their speech and language is developed, the age criteria is up to 12 years of age.
And one more thing I would like to add with Vanshampli is that that this EDIP scheme, EDIP scheme in Meghalaya, we are the second hospital, and but we are first private hospital to be impaneled for the surgery. The first hospital is Negrim, that is a government hospital, and so we can say that we are the private hospital to be impaneled, and this is going to benefit the people of Meghalaya definitely. We hope so. The people from village, they're too much afraid, but we are trying to make them understand that if the child gets operated at a proper age, then only the child will be able to speak. So because hearing is related to speech, so until and unless the child is not hearing, we cannot expect the child to acquire a normal language and the speech. So the sooner the better.
Yeah, from my side, I think I will talk in Khasi for the benefit of the men. One kong ya, ang pamanay iting kran na marba, kadang kiting penbet na ka mauray pelun ba kandang kini ka hearing clinic nanti mauray. Hindi ko matang lalit ang to. Bandang mga lampay ang to, pada tayo po nila ay bandang kami pada yung to, kawan yang po wetlan. Nang tahu pada ngalalit ang day, ang sempat yang kajing duna, akan nikah sekolah di sana. Bandang waktu saya ikut yang bandai perkembangan sim yang ini hearing mentah kembali ai Melayu akan gasni. Untuk yang mungkin nama terkadang kita kat suhai yang kadang orang pakai tingkaman nama apa ngumpat juga ya kan dua ikan di hospital bukan ni kepangal itu lagi pun dia manusia kalau leisen pun bagi baik idan di hulung di ba dan dapat dengan di khal bagi dan di duna menang makan kakak sentuh dan ni di baik kita mungkin di bapang yang menang di bawah di bahang tikat no kini hospital kalau leisen dia kapan ai ke syakri yang pi kan ai ke ba ai di sumar ya ki menang no bagi babun pada menang dengan di bangkat buar menang kan penduduk hantar dan kalau jadi keku jadi cuma kalau long jadi keku yang akan kesini dinamai kata kita kini ke orang ai boleh hospital bagi hospital kan lagi kan rai nang ni buat syafran bapa mereka juga mengkat bidang pelayu nang ai buat di kinang nak kita nang penlit dia kata ka buat buat kalau nak tentang pendan belum am ya beliau ndai nak tahu